Hello everyone, I'm Rich Longo, the Director of the Duquesne University Small Business Development Center. The SBDC is pleased to announce it has received sponsorships from First Commonwealth Bank and Wilkie & Associates. We are grateful for the support and enjoy a great relationship with these incredible small business resource partners. Given the inroads made to the video production program and advances made in digital marketing efforts by our Center for the Small Business Community, I am pleased to announce the new name for the program and the services it offers to our clients as the Digital Marketing Program. This program offers social media and website review services, as well as digital media production services, including both videography and photography. We are very pleased with yet another milestone achieved by our center. The Duquesne University SBDC has offered 98 live workshops and programs, which is the highest among the entire PA SBDC network, supporting our goal of empowering the existing and/or budding entrepreneur with the information needed to support sound and objective decision-making to all of our past and existing clients. Thank you for your continued and dedicated support, and to all the budding entrepreneurs and current business owners. We want to be your business consultation resource moving forward. On behalf of all of us here at the Duquesne University SBDC, we are glad to be able to bring you this update and hope for even more the next quarter. Thank you very much.